Hi kindergarten class, it's Miss Clutie here. Do you recognize where I am? I am in your garden. So today our science class is going to be focusing on our garden, and if you look right here, the first bed here contains onions, and look how tall they've grown. They've got tall fronds coming up. They look very healthy and green. So I'm going to move over here to our next garden bed, and this is where you planted your lettuces. Although I believe one of them here, to me, looks like a kale or a broccoli, but I may be wrong, and our garden parents can correct me on that. But there definitely is green lettuce here and red lettuce here, and I don't know if you can see how tall and healthy they are. That may be garlic. Those little stringy things, tall stringy things in there is garlic. But here's what I want to show you also that's super exciting. We have sugar snap peas. Do you recognize that? They are growing abundantly up in the plant that is climbing up the fence. And there's also blossoms on it, which means that more peas are going to come from those flowers. And then down here, there is another plant sprouting up. You can see it right there, and you can see the peas in it. So there's at least two plants thriving in here. And then over here, I'm going to the strawberry bed, and you'll see that right now we do have one red strawberry, but it's been, right now the critters are eating that. So if I come over here, you will see that there are some new strawberries coming out. There's a green one that will eventually turn red. And then if you look carefully, there's a lot of flowers in here. And if you look at the center of the flowers, there's kind of a yellow part or yellowish part that is growing out of it. Let me see where I can catch one of those. Right there. Eventually that's going to curl back and grow big, and that'll be your red ripe strawberry. So I'm going to pull back now more so you can see that there are a lot of those flowers and some green strawberries in your strawberry bed right now. I'm going to move over. As you can see, it is very windy out here right now, and there's your basketball court and PE area down there. And then over here, these are your garden boxes, the containers that hang from the fence, and the flowers that you planted in here are growing. They're not flowered yet, but there's one that's got really beautiful flat curvy leaves. I want to say they're morning glories, but I may be wrong on that. The garden parents will have to help verify that. So I'm going to keep moving so you can see what's going on with your succulent garden.